morning. We're gonna go to the beach this morning, and my mom's gonna vlog it. Right, Boo?
Yeah.
She will. So yeah. Very simple breakfast. Answer. Hi, Boo. Ma.
Hey, I'm hungry.
Ate.
The face.
You still video?
Yeah.
Carl! Oh my God!
Well, we did nothing interesting after the beach, right? We just stayed here and ate noodles and we're gonna go to the Stations of the Cross in the same church, right?
Yeah.
Same church. So yeah. Didn't really do anything today because it was Good Friday. So I'm going to vlog it. That's the next thing you're gonna see me do. So, like my hair.
No.
No.
I'm talking to the amaze makers, not you. Like my hair.
You look like a moon.
Oops.
Moon.
They don't know what that is. It's a moon. Okay, so we're done with the Stations of the Cross and we're gonna
Sige lang, just get. Gusto niya na lang yung tatlo.
That was too close. So here's the food.
Lucy. Ayun si Sarah, Lucy. Ba tayo? Lucy. Lucy.
We are home. Finally home. I miss my bed. I missed my bathroom. Everything I've missed. Yeah, I'm just going to be part of the something. But I'm not going to make an entire different vlog just for this one clip. And didn't really want to show anything because like we left at 4:30. So I didn't really want to vlog. We just had breakfast and lunch and it was all normal. Nothing exciting that you want to see. And that's what they all say, like there's something interesting for you to see, but really there's something interesting for you to see. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Keep an eye out for new videos. I'm going to be doing the Japan vlog in May. So yeah, that's it. And keep it amazing. I even messed up my own intro. I mean outro. See, I even messed that up. Keep it amazing, amaze makers.